So, Maggot Smoothie. So, you take cubed squash and you pop it into boiling water for about 3 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to dip the greens into the boiling water. It's just boiling, it is actually at boil. So I'll just put the greens into this, it's the easiest way to do it. And we'll drop it into the water, so easy to take out afterwards. And taking your very best bullet, so you can ruin it, you're going to pour your greens, because you just want to just dip them. You're going to pour your greens into your bullet. And you need a bit of moisture, so it doesn't matter if some of the water goes in. And just put your greens in. And then taking your washed, and you've still got your squash boiling, and taking clean washed maggots, you just put them into a smaller container, so you get them all in, and you dip them into the boiling water the same. Just for a few minutes, gives them an extra wash, and they look like noodles in a matter of minutes. And you dip those into there. And again, while your squash is still cooking, take a teaspoon and add a little bit of dust, calcium dust. And you only want a tiny bit, you don't want too much. And taking a little bit of Rhapsody, you don't have to add this, but it helps thicken it a little bit. So I'm just using vegetable Rhapsody. I'm just putting a little bit in to give it a bit of thickening. Now that's going to thicken up. I'm just going to grab a scoop, take some of my water, and just add a little bit of water. And I'm taking the squash, which has actually been boiled for the 3 minutes because I pre-boiled it a little bit. I'm going to add that. Put your lid on a nice, wonderful blender that you can't use anymore because you've put maggots in it. And this should make a really nice smoothie. Now, if you find it's a little, whoa, there we go. If you find it's a little bit too runny, you can add a little bit more Rhapsody or less water. I'm just going to add some to this container that we're using. And once it's cooled, we're going to give it to the bearded dragons. Okay, so that's the consistency that your smoothie will be, and we're going to feed Ash first and see how he goes, see if he enjoys it. And he loves that stuff. Look at him go, oh, give me more. Just trying to get it off the spoon. But they do make a mess, just give them a wash afterwards. But for some weird reason, they really like it. Now he's got a green nose. I'm still swallowing here. Yum. This is Nick having some. For some weird reason they really like eating it off the spoon. Yum! Messy boy. Because I can't get enough. Give it here. Give it here. I'm going to get it. Look, he's going. So this is Spike wanting some. All my dragons love this stuff. It's really good. Yum. Spike actually came down to get some of this because she was up on her log and she went, no, I'm going to go and get some food.